Hey guys, McDonald's Canada has recently launched a Happy Meal for adults, and today we're going to put it to the test.
Okay. Okay guys, so this is the new Happy Meal. This is what it looks like. What do you guys think?
I think the packaging looks nice.
Yeah, the box is big.
Yeah,
I don't know.
oh, did you notice the secret? Go back here. McDonald's.
Yeah. So I think this is an amazing idea. Like Happy Meal for adults. Like this one just came out of nowhere. I didn't expect it, but I think it's a really good idea.
Does it have pickles?
Yeah.
It's a Big Mac, and I think in a few years, like other fast food places are going to start following. I think McDonald's is going to be like a trendsetter where this is concerned.
Well, what's that?
This is toys.
Oh,
We get toys too.
They look like little potatoes.
maybe you're going to get one of these.
What is that?
I feel happy already opening it. It's really happy meal. It's like potato.
Oh,
I need that.
It's a potato head.
the handsome sauce.
Yeah, just opening it like makes you feel happy already. Yeah, so whenever you guys are having a happy meal, I can have my happy meal too.
Now we're opening up our Happy Meals.
Oh,
We got Happy Birthday Big Bad Wolf.
Awesome.
Well, we already know what this is going to look like, is because we've had 100 Happy Meals before. So there's nothing too surprising about this one.
yeah, you got.
Yeah, I chose a toy because this is my first adult happy meal. And yeah, these books are nice though. Because I prefer the books because sometimes the toys that you guys get go into the landfill, but these are good. They're cute.
So this is actually not a potato, it's a nugget. So let's compare this here. Toy nugget versus real nugget. Real nugget's really good.
No.
Okay, you can eat the toy nugget.
Okay. Wow. Yeah, so this is not actually anything new. This is just a Big Mac, but just the packaging
That's what we're doing.
makes you feel happy. Take my first bite. Now I'm happy. That's a happy meal. Okay guys, so this is the first of my collection. McNuggets, and I'm gonna go out on a limb and say that it's gonna be a hit. You know, I know it says limited time only, but I think, you know, eating this and the packaging, I feel so happy. I think it's gonna be a hit, and I'm not sure if it's only in Canada, if it's only available in Canada. So like if you're watching from the US or England, let me know if this is in your area, but I'm gonna say it's a hit. It's the same, you know, double mark, the same food, is just the packaging, but I just feel like, you know, in the time that we're living in and we could use some happiness, this is going to be a hit. Happy Meal for adults.